ないですないです。もう初めてでこんなの普通じゃないです。
まだはやっぱり。
ここを閉めて閉めてね。
ちょっと遅いかもしれないけど。終わりですか。
大丈夫ですか。
あ、別になっちゃった。
この映像も前に小屋敷で内船さんのバカのこのためにそれで撮ってくれって言われて、それ撮ったやつなんですよね。映像やってて、こうみんなに喜んでるのってすごく面白いですよね。
We can take pictures of it.
There was somebody, some television group there, I don't know who they were, and newspapers, and...
You want to be your recording?
What?
Do you want anything to drink?
Tea. I think I better drink tea.
Tea is good as well?
No, it's keep myself from sacking.
1, 2, your screen, 3, that's 5. Guys, everyone got ice cream over here? Okay. Everyone has ice cream.
That was good.
just want to say, if anyone wants to use the toilet, the washrooms, the bathroom, please don't hesitate. We're running a bit slow, a bit late, but it doesn't matter. But we're probably going to kick off with a little bit of an explanation, and then the show in about 10 minutes. So please don't hesitate. There are toilets here, and there are toilets out there as well. Thank you. Here, I feel like an air for having kanji. Oh, really? But there's many junkos, right? So this one is pure. Another junko. Kanji wa nande?
I'm not Junko.
You're not junko! It's not junko, it's a lie. She wants another ice cream. You don't get more ice cream for being junko. If it's your birthday, maybe. Everyone's birthday.
Yeah, everyone's birthday is today.
Hi everybody. I am Princess Senju. I have to apologize that my voice is hoarse because I was dumped by my boyfriend last night, so I was crying all night. That's the reason my voice is sounds like man. I'm gonna explain about kabuki and the kabuki part. I'm not going to be moderator of the kabuki part tonight, so I hope you enjoy it. And I think some of you are not familiar with kabuki. It's a traditional Japanese theater, 400 years of history. And so just to give you an idea that 400 years ago, we are Shakespeare theater premiere just 1 year before I would start. To explain that what is kabuki. As you know, we have usually officially in Japan today only male play kabuki. No lady, no. But originally, when it started 400 years ago, it was started by Izumo no Okuni, a lady. She's the maiden of Izumo Shrine. And she did a kind of Nembutsu Odori or Kabuki Odori in 1603. And at that time, Kabuki is, today we use this character, Kabuki, but originally we use these characters. This is same dance and technology today, but originally it's the Kabuki used this kind of characters. This means that it's different from that one. That means inclined or out of ordinary, something different. And it's not restricted by ordinary rules, so it's kind of free. So it's a sensational dance. And so I said, they only male play kabuki, but at that time, a group of male and female dancers played kabuki. And so it was so popular, it spread all over Japan. And so the later, female prostitute imitated the dance. And because of that, it's kind of, they incorporate eroticism like that. So the government at that time feared the corruption of public morals. So they totally banned women to play kabuki. So only male actors have to play kabuki. So we have to find a way to do that. So the male actor studied the behavior of male women very carefully and created a part of onnagata, female impersonator. And so, it's so complete that onnagata is, much more sexier than actual. No, I shouldn't say that. They have different kind of, eroticism. And so Onnagata is a very unique feature of kabuki because it's very interesting. And what I said, because the reason I said basically is that some kabuki group, they have female actors. Like today we're gonna, people of Utsuguna Kabuki play. They have very nice lady who play kabuki. They're very nice. So it's not restricted to the male here. They have equal opportunities and gender-free opportunities for that. And today the kabuki show we are going to show it today is called Shirarami Gonin Otoko. Shirarami is come from Chinese characters. Shirarami is thief, robber. Gonin Otoko is 5 men, so that means 5 thieves. And these are written by Kawatake Mokuami. It's a very genius playwright, and his it's written. It first premiered in 1862, about 160 years ago. And what is distinct of his line is that he used 7 and 5 syllables in the line. So it's a 7 syllable rhythm or 7 syllable very matches Japanese speech. And so in the kabuki line, you hear many names of the place and mountains or rivers, but they have no meaning. They just this guy put their name in the kabuki line in order to keep rhythm of 7 and 5 syllables. For example, if I say I like Cafe Ole, I may say I like Cafe Oregon. The Oregon doesn't mean anything, but you put the Oregon to keep the kind of rhythm. And I visited Portland, Oregon many times. Instead, I can say I visited Portland, Oregon many times to school. So such kind of lines appear very often. And we are proud that kabuki was incorporated in the UNESCO representative list of the intangible heritage of humanity, along with No and Ninja Jori 2008. So we are very proud of that. And before we start, I'd like to show you the introduction video of Utsuguna Kabuki, local kabuki. It's a very short 4 minutes video, so just take a look at it, and after that we start actual kabuki show. Okay.
Utsuguna Kabuki was first introduced to the residents of Yorihata, a small village in present-day Nambu town, in the Edo period, over 250 years ago, by a troupe of touring actors from Tokyo. They were on their way back from visiting Minobu-san, the head temple of the Nichiren-shu sect of Buddhism, when heavy rain caused Fuji River to flood, making it impossible for them to continue their journey by boat. They were forced to stay in Yorihata at the house of the village head, Kondo, for almost 40 days. During their stay, they taught kabuki to the local residents. Between the Edo and Taisho periods, 1603 to 1926, there were 3 active kabuki groups, Kaminoza, Nakanoza, and Shimonoza, competing among themselves. Although they mainly performed on Koshogatsu, or January the 15th, an off-season for farmers, they also travelled to villages near and far, including remote areas such as Suruga and Sagami. Due to a lack of successors, only Kaminoza survives today. In 1963, a group of elders, concerned about passing on the tradition, taught kabuki to a local youth group, later known as Seinen Kabuki. With the support of kabuki elders, the youth group remained active in promoting the art form until it was succeeded by Utsubuna Kabuki Hozonkai, a kabuki preservation group, in 1975. Today, most of the leaders of Utsubuna Kabuki learned their skills from the youth kabuki members. Since 1977, Utsubuna Kabuki Hozonkai has been teaching kabuki at local junior high and elementary schools. The schools hold their own kabuki performances each year. On the first Sunday of December each year, Utsubuna Kabuki performs at Nambu Town Culture Center, attracting a large and enthusiastic audience. People even come from outside Yamanashi Prefecture to see the plays, which number some 20 different productions. Most of the costumes and stage settings are made by the members of Utsubuna Kabuki Hozonkai. In March 2011, Utsubuna Kabuki Hozonkai was recognized as a group preserving a Yamanashi prefectural cultural asset. We hope as many people as possible will have the chance to enjoy Utsubuna Kabuki, a traditional Japanese form of entertainment that has been passed down from generation to generation.
Okay. In the video, the female part actually played by not only one of the actual women of Utsubuna Kabuki, so they are very nice. Okay. Didn't change it. Oops. Before I start, from next week, we're going to start kabuki, but before we start kabuki, I think I need some explanation of the next show. We're going to see Shiranami Gonin Otako. It's actually it's a bit long show. It consists of 5 scenes, and the one you're going to see is almost the last one, and the 5 robots, 5/5, are almost arrested at the near riverside of Inase River. And so the interesting thing is that when they are about to arrest or try to hide, they ask policemen, please allow us to introduce ourselves one by one. And it's what happened today, right? If you do that, you'll be shot by or arrested by the policeman. But in the world of kabuki, anything happens. So when they name each other, they speaks as I said, 7 and 5 syllables. So you can hear that one. Okay, so it's time to start. I put the English translation on the line here, so if you don't understand, you can see it.
雪の下から山越しにまずこれまでは落ち延びたが
も7つかむつらが夜明けのうちに飛び石の先を離れ船に乗り
故郷を後に三浦から先の木を乗り回さば
他と違って波の上人目にかかる気遣いなし。
しかし六面の川俣までのっけるなは手が遠州なだ。
油断のならねえ山風に置いてか追ってか早手に路海にあらぬ人腰のその梶塚の折れるまで
腕目見せて切り散らしかなわぬ時は命綱
光を切って五人とも小津田の縄に
かかろうか。
子でいざこと噂高札に回る平風の晴れ越し月目好みの狂言ももはや私有の人間の定めはわずか50年60年に隠れのね座布団の長官日本財門
その次は江ノ島の岩本院の地のが普段着慣れし振り袖から曲げも島田に結がはま打ち込む波にしっぽりと女に化けて筒を出せ油断のならねえ小娘も小袋坂に身の破れ悪い浮き名もたつのぶち土の牢へも2度3度だんだんくぐる鳥居数八幡様の氏子にて鎌倉無宿と肩書きも島に育ってそのなせ弁天小僧菊之助
続いて後に火消しは月の武蔵の江戸育ちガキの頃から手癖が悪く抜けべりからぐれ出して旅を稼ぎに西国を回って守備も吉野山マウな仕事も大峰に足を止めたる奈良の京ごうちといって寺々や豪華へ入り込み盗んだる金神だけの罪とが手抜けの塔の20、30重なる悪事に高飛びなし後を隠せし方眼のおなめがたりの高信利平そのまた次に連なるは以前は武家の中央省補修のために切り取りも二武器あえばの腰越や戸上ヶ原にの錆を研ぎ直しても抜きかねる盗み心の神通り柳の都八七号花水橋の切り取りから今牛若と名も高く忍ぶ姿も人の目に月影がやつみ腰がたけ清ず命の明け方に昼間近き星月よその名も赤星十三郎
さてどんじりに兵士は潮風荒き小緩みのそれの松の曲がりなり人となったる浜育ち仁義の道も白川の夜船に乗り込む船盗と波にきらめく稲妻の白穂で脅す人殺ししょってたたれぬ罪とがはその身をもきとらがいし悪事千里というからはどうで締めは木の空と覚悟は兼ねて死に立つさはしかし我は身に知らぬ念仏儀礼な団子に決まる
とも轟く雷の鳴り響いたる我々は千人余りのその中で極印高しら分
定価を定価盗っ人の腹は大きな肝っ玉
ならば手柄に
絡めてみろ。
Okay, thank you very much. I think you enjoyed it.
Do you have that? Oh, she's taking, right. Okay, somebody's taking it. Come on, don't be shy. Maybe never get a chance again. You
Did you bring your camera? Yeah, go take a picture.
We didn't bring the breakfast upstairs.
You can go, we get.
You want to take a picture? With who? Who are you going to take a picture with? All right.
There we go.
Thank you.
What's the meaning of all the kabuki have swords?
The samurais.
Samurai, is that
Actually, the gangsters, they pretended to be a nice guy, nice samurai.
okay? Oh, okay.
Yeah. They're gonna fight with policemen after the scene.
Okay, okay, okay.
So they need it.
Okay. Because I thought it was kind of a contradiction that you would be have a weapon.
That's the only weapon. We don't have
That was fun. Here's the whole group.
And this is